Hi guys, my name is Robert Greene. I'm a makeup artist in New York, and I'm here today with Brittany and e.l.f. Cosmetics, and we are going to do a skull makeup look for Halloween. And the first process that we're going to do is we're going to use the e.l.f. poreless putty primer. So I like to just kind of go in with my fingers. After we put down our putty primer, we're gonna go ahead and use our palette and start by building this eye with this brown shade right here. So what I usually do is I just go ahead and stamp this all over the eye. I'm gonna go ahead and use this little, it's like a little pencil brush from e.l.f. And I'm gonna start packing some color on the lower lash line. Step number 2 for the eye. Placing some of the black. Go ahead and dip into there, just one swipe. We're gonna start to build this eye from the outer corner and stamping in the black. And while I'm here, I'm gonna start adding this orange color. And you go right on top of all those other colors. Again, with a chubby brush, I'm obsessed with this brush right now. I'm gonna keep on using this black eyeshadow. And I'm just gonna stamp this black in with that front portion of the bristles. I've already done her brow a little bit off camera. And as you can see, I've used the ultra precise brow pencil. All I really did was actually fill in a little bit to make the shape more pronounced, but I really want the eyeshadows and her eye color and all the work that we did to make her eyes smoky to really stand out. And these are just little light strokes going in the direction of her hairs. We're gonna start working now on the skull elements. I started with the nose. I went ahead and also used the e.l.f. waterproof gel eyeliner pencil to sort of sketch in what I'm looking for, and at the same time I'm going to use the same pencil to color in the nose. So we have it pretty much filled in, and I'm going to use the pencil brush again to start to blend this out and get it a little bit more looking like a shadow. All right, so for our last and final step, I'm going to use, again, the 16-hour camo concealer, and we're gonna knock out her lip color. It's very simple, just a little bit on the inside of your hand, or the back of your hand, wherever you prefer. And we just slowly go and we stamp the lip with the concealer. To finish off the look, we're gonna do some creepy teeth, which of course is very essential to a skull look. Again, using the waterproof gel eyeliner pencil. And you merely just lay the pencil inside of the mouth and just drag out. And I also, with the model's mouth closed, I like to stroke the black pencil inside of the lips. For the final step, we just start adding our little lines in to start to create teeth. So I'm gonna use, again, the 16-hour camo concealer, put a little bit on my hand. We're gonna give Brittany some teeth. Okay, so I'm gonna actually call this done.